Are you looking at time blocking your bulletin journal so that you're able to keep track of your views and productivity? This week, I will be showing you the different ways that I block off time, especially to start out the new year. Are you a creative mind? For the best creative DIY craft, home improvement, and fashion designing, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I post a video every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts, home improvement projects, and fashion that you're able to join. Now it's your turn. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to time block your schedule along with time blocking on your Google Calendar and how to plan your week efficiently. By time blocking your bulletin journal, you increase productivity and allow yourself to focus on time blocking per week, per month, and year. An hourly planner time tracker bulletin journal will keep your goals clear. We will also include an analog time blocking to give you a different option. So there are many ways that you can time block. This is just one of the ways that I like to time block, and it actually comes from a little gadget that I got when I was younger, and this is it. Show you how I use it. I kind of reinvented it. So it has the months. Then with each month, you're able to see how many days are in the month. So 31, 28, 31. Of course, if there's leap year, you'd have to just work it out. Then it gives you how many weeks are in the year. Now what I did was I added this middle part. Things that I want to get done by the end of the year. I would recommend between 1 to 3 tasks, nothing more. And let's say that you want to do 1 to 10. You're going to start 1 on this side and you're going to work round counterclockwise to 10. Don't start it here, and I'll show you why. What you do then is, let's say for the month of January, you should have had number 1 to 2 things done. Then it shows you whether or not you've gotten it done, how many weeks you have left to get it done. Now you do it in your quarters to March, and now you know that all of the things that were in this part of the block should be completed. And then you coordinate this with your calendar so that you can do checkpoints. And that's as easy as it is. Just mark it, you get a reminder from your Google Calendar, and then you kind of make your adjustments for the rest of the year. This I would laminate, this I would laminate, this I would not. Okay, and this part you can just recycle once a year or whatnot, or make a whole bunch of cards. And it should be put on hard cardstock. Whatever your goal is, set your goal setting here and time block it out. So for January, I wouldn't put anything down because you just made that plan. February, you should do a checkup in the middle of February. Then for March, you do one at the beginning of March and the middle of March, and then you do a completion date the end of March if you've completed it. Comment down below if now that it is the new year, you're looking to revamp your schedule and make some changes to view your productivity and views if you are a YouTuber. Now I don't know if they still have geometry sets, but for you to make your circle, what you use, you put it in the middle, you put your pencil and you go around. I'm going to do that offline. Mark a 1/2 inch throughout, just so you know where 1/2 inch is for each number. Did I say 1/2 inch sewing? Sorry. You want to mark half an hour, and then what we want to do is we want to make our little pies. So you're going to see you have circle, you have an inner circle, then you have a halfway circle, and then, well, not halfway, that's more than halfway. And then you have an outer full circle, okay? And what you do is you put your time on each block. So 12 o'clock. Make sure if you're going to do it this way, you photocopy it at this point, because now you're going to fill it in. And this allows you to see what you're doing. I wake up at 5 and my inner circle is my wake up time. So I wake up at 5 and I do my prayer and my devotion. And then at 5:30, halfway point, sorry, and you do your halfway point in the middle of this also, halfway. Okay, then I do my workout, and then I work out again up until and I start the daycare, which starts at 9 o'clock. I go on the outer side and I give myself my my break, which is about a 2-hour break, I go back in the same. So daycare is this section, and I'll put in all the information for the kids up until the time they leave. Now, this bigger section here, this is my stuff. I do the outer circle, which is my YouTube and all the other good stuff. And that is the way I time block. And I find that if you were to do it in a clock, Angeline had you do it in a clock where you didn't add all of this stuff in it, you see exactly how much time you are either fooling around or where you need to pick up your slack. So with this, I see that I'm extremely busy and I need to start streamlining things so that at this point in time, not staying up past 10 o'clock. By 9:30, I wind down. At 10 o'clock, I'm in bed. All of this stuff is your permanent stuff. This is stuff that you do every day. Then you can add something on this side here. You can just jot it down, grocery list, whatever, and that's it. You're done for your day. I like this for like tracking my productivity for my day. I do my early morning routine and I've copied and pasted them, so I never put the date in. So December entry. So then I would go here, I tap it, and then what I will do is I'll put the date in, and it's very like granular, really crazy, but I like to put it in there. The schedule has changed. This was my schedule before. For 4:15, I'd wake up and then I make sure I brush my teeth because I don't like working out, I don't know why, with my teeth unbrushed. And what I like about this is that when you tap it, it goes away. So what I do is I'll drink water, and I drink 1 bottle, I'll tap it, go away, 2 bottles, and this is for my workout. Once I finish doing my 2-bottle tap the water, and I'm done. And that is a little bit different than the map that I showed you. And then once I'm done, I actually put away my phone. So that phone part is only for this part here. I even include waking up my daughter, getting like things that she needs to get done. I include that in my phone, and that's all I use that phone portion for. Now that you know how to time block your bulletin journal, I have written a 5-page guide on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your mind and put it on a digital platform. If you want to join a community of creative minds just like yourself, don't forget that I do have a Facebook page that you are able to go to and join. If you want to know more, you can check the link in the description box. Check out these videos next on a time to reflect and bullet journal creator for your YouTube content. And also don't forget to check out my new video on bullet journal writer crushing goals. Now, if you like this content, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it with family and friends.